Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? How's everybody doing out there? I know my voice is kind of raspy, kind of sound like a man. That's because I went to Maryland and I had me the best time of my life with my girls and my aunt on her 60th birthday. So I wish her a happy birthday and a long life for us to celebrate her on earth. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a styling video for a date night or girls night out, an evening out outfit together that we could wear at the end of summer, early fall. We all know fall is around the corner. We in Texas, we don't care what weather it is. We're still gonna dress fly because we don't know what fall is or summer is. So there's literally no differentiation between both because our fall is still kind of hot. Okay, so yeah, I did put up some clothes so you guys can see how I'm styling, how I'm rocking the end of summer, early fall going out. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for checking out this new video. It is gonna be a lookbook, so I won't be saying much, but I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys enjoy this kind of video, go ahead in the comment section and let me know. Without further ado, let's get into this video. hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next upload. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your family, your friend, your boo, your co-worker, your teacher, your friends, everybody around you. I would really appreciate it. Guys, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, help your girl out, and I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me on all my social: Instagram, MrstitosTv, Facebook, MrstitosTv. Alright guys, on to the next upload. Remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back.